Perhaps one of the most dangerous and interesting technologies that today we have access to is something that will put many of us at risk later. Maybe our imagination of the dangerous world that robots were going to create for us by being equipped with powerful thoughts has entered our world right now in another way without being focused on. There was a time when a recorded video of Barack Obama, the President of the United States at the time, was released, in which he talked about fake news and warned people not to trust them. But at the end, he spoke harshly about Trump, which made everyone wonder how it's possible for a president to say something like that.
Or, how about this, simply, President Trump is a total and complete dipshit.
But immediately, the next scene showed that this program was voiced by Jordan Peele, and the president's face was placed on Jordan Peele's face using AI and a method called DeepFake. When he talks, and by blinking and shaking his head, Barack Obama's eyes blink and his head moves. The whole purpose of sending this message was that we can no longer trust others easily. Easier than ever, now it's possible to fake the faces of many important and powerful people and fake their sentences. Talks that many believe and may lead to provocations and actions that may not be stopped easily. But how does deepfake really work? The first step for this is to have enough data and information about the desired person. This information is entrusted to an algorithm that by putting these images together and recognizing your face, it can recognize and place different points on your face. If enough information is given to the algorithm, you can easily speak for the person you want, but this voice and words will come out of that person's mouth. Although the claims are based on the fact that no matter how strong the deepfake is designed, it is almost impossible to create a deepfake without any problems. But keep in mind that the majority of people are not able to recognize this difference, or at least when they are watching the news cursory, they really don't analyze the announcer's face with such precision. Different governments and political groups are trying their best to distinguish these deepfakes from the real ones with the system. And currently, many investments are being made to resist such a possibility of danger. And maybe this is an alarm that if security systems do not advance as much as technology does, a disaster may occur when they fall into the hands of the wrong person. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to share and subscribe to our channel. Take care and goodbye.